Welcome to Coin Files. Today's video is about how to make money while asleep. While this topic might sound a little contentious because of potential arguments that could come alongside it due to the difficulties that common people face in making money, I decided to pick or to come up with the most practical ways of making money while asleep. And number one is to build assets that don't need babysitting. Put simply, purchase or build assets that don't require you to watch over them. In layman's language, babysit them. So think of an asset like building an asset like real estate and getting rental income from it. You're typically earning while you are asleep, compared to maybe someone who has purchased an asset that not just an asset actually, because assets are known to make the rich richer. Someone who has liabilities. So how do you build your assets? By limiting your liabilities and investing. Number two is diversify your income streams. Like the saying goes, do not put all your eggs in one basket. So if you, for instance, invested in say the mining industry, you can try the technology industry and maybe the food or the agriculture sector, such that if there comes the unfortunate in a particular sector you've invested in, all your eggs won't be broken. At least you've diversified your income streams, and therefore you have kind of provided a buffer against the unexpectedness in life. Number three is to invest in skills that pay compound dividends. Compound income is one of the greatest formulas to becoming wealthy. So think of investing in money market funds that offer compound dividends. The rate at which you will be earning is quite high compared to maybe investing or saving your money in a savings account and so on, because of the power of compound interest. Number four is automate what's repetitive and focus on growth. By automating what is repetitive, what do you mean? What does that mean? That by automating what is repetitive, you build a system, to avoid the issue of redundancy, which is time wasting, resource consuming, and so on. So you focus on growth by building a system that handles the repetitive tasks. You save time and resources while you focus on growth. Last but not least is be patient. They say that patience can boil a stone. The sayings that go around patience. Patience is a gift. So overnight riches are myths in general. You need patience because once you are into, say, a project, you expect some failure, but if you give up, that will be the end of it. You should take the lessons from failure. They say that failure in business or in investing, failure, you should fail forward. What does that mean? That out of the lessons you've learned in a particular project or business that didn't work, you should take the lessons seriously so that you don't repeat the same mistake in your next project or venture. That's what it means to be, to fail forward, to take the lessons seriously so that you avoid a repeat of the same. So thank you for watching. That was a brief video that is quite practical. Instead of going into the jargon, this is quite a brief but yet comprehensive summary of ways that can actually enable you to earn while you are asleep, literally. So if you found this useful, please like the video and share it, and please remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next video.